The Marzahn district lies in East Berlin, is one of the former GDR districts of Berlin. Visitors to the district can expect a great deal of variety. Marzahn Hellersdorf has everything for an exciting day trip, an interesting history with big deals, and picturesque nature amidst the cityscape. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Marzahn Hellersdorf is the right place for you, keep watching because in this video, we will learn about interesting facts the place has to offer. My first destination is heading to a small village whose roots stretch back to the Middle Ages, known as Alt Marzahn. It boasts a village church, a windmill, cobblestone streets, and tall old trees. In this small village stands the highlight in Alt Marzahn, which is the post mill. It rises proudly on a small hill and its sails reaching towards the sky. The Marzahn post mill is fully functional and even boasts a modern wind power measuring station. As I continue to stroll in the small village, I came across the old church. The church sits in the center of the old village square, providing a quiet country feel in the middle of the bustling city. The current brick building dates back to 1869, replacing older wooden structures on the same site that served the local farmers for centuries. Another interesting site I discovered is located in Kienberg, a 110-meter high artificial hill. Going up the hill is also surprising. Along the way, you will witness the first natural toboggan run in Berlin and offers a thrilling ride down the hill. Aside from surrounding trees and the fresh air, as you look up the sky, you will enjoy watching the cable cars going back and forth from the intermediate station am Kienberg. At the top of the hill is the Wolkenhein, a 30-meter high viewing platform in the shape of a floating cloud or known as a cloud grove. From the Wolkenhein, there is a panoramic view of Berlin's city center and the Brandenburg's countryside. The Wolkenhain can be reached by the cable car or on foot. From the viewing platform on the Kienberg Hill in Marzahn-Hellersdorf, you can enjoy a panoramic view across the expansive parkland of the Gardens of the World, over the Folly Valley, and as far as the large urban housing estates and the Brandenburg countryside in the distance. Berlin's green eastern district can also be experienced from a bird's eye view. Whether you choose the scenic hills or the diverse gardens of the world, your walk through Marzahn will reveal the district's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Marzahn may be an underrated part of Berlin, but its hidden gems make it well worth exploring. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the place even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!